Okay, now we're going to demo the mesh editor. This is the first-person shooter file. This is the source code. Luzo's source code can have graphics and superscripts and subscripts and links. Anyway, here's the map for the first-person shooter. We did that as a graphic. And here's some bad guys. I'm going to add a gun to one of these bad guys. These two are used for walking. As you can, one has 1 foot forward, the other has the other foot forward, and it interpolates to walk. Here's what it looks like right now. You can see him over here dancing away. Anyway, this is just a 500 line first-person shooter, and I think that's pretty good. It's kind of a demo. I haven't really embellished it all that much. But anyway, we're going to put a gun on one of these guys here. So we go control. Let's go full screen. Control R. That's the resource editor. You can also get it from here, resource. Anyway, now the mesh editor is under the insert menu, just because it's easier that way for me. Anyway, create edit 3D mesh. Oh, I had to select. Anyway, okay, now here's our guy, and we're going to put a gun in his hands. So I have it rotated 180. I'm going to zoom, hit Z to zoom. And now, first we want to get the Z coordinate right. So we're going to hit J to jump to the Z coordinate of this point, which is one of his hands. And then I'm going to go step 5 in front of that. This is at 45. Now you hit the right mouse button to change the Z coordinate. Hold the right mouse button and move. There, I just changed the Z coordinate to 50. Now we're going to place some vertices for a gun. So vertex, let's see, vertex, we want a barrel. Okay, now I'm going to put some triangles on there. So we go, first let's set the color. We'll make it a what the heck, a gray gun, gray and white. Anyway, now I make triangle. If you go clockwise, it's the front. If you go counterclockwise, it's the back. That's so that anyway, it's just the way the lighting works. There's only 8 colors. If you want to change the lighting, you hit. If you want to reverse it from if you hit F, it'll reverse the last triangle from clockwise to counterclockwise, or vice versa. Oh, you know what? That wasn't such a good idea. I should have gone. Let me get rid of that. Okay, we do. If you're in triangle mode, it selects triangles and not vertices. So we select a rectangle. This is going to be hard to do. We want to get rid of that triangle, so we go select it and then delete. Okay, put it back. 3D editing is pretty tricky in general. I don't care what you're using. Anyway, now we do make triangle. Let's try this again. I did my triangles foolishly. It's not quite 180. Okay, now we go here to here. Oh shit! Oh, I already had one. Damn it! Hold on. I had a triangle selected or something. I don't know. Sorry about that. Get this. Delete. Let's go back. Okay, we'll get this figured out here. Okay. you have to be careful clicking because sometimes it'll, if you miss, and it'll select something unaware that you're unaware of. Anyway, like when you're clicking on the controls, be careful, or changing the sliders. Anyway, okay, try this again. Here, here, here. Okay, then here, here. It does triangles, not polygons. So you have to build them. Okay, now we have half the gun. Now let's copy it. I purposely did it the far one first. Now we edit, select rectangle. Now we edit, copy. Oh, we're in triangle mode. It would only select the triangles. We want to go to one of these other modes. Let's go to move vertex mode. Anyway, the copy in the clipboard in the clipboard only selects triangles when you're in the make triangle mode. Anyway, so now we do copy, and then we do paste, and we want to move the z coordinate of the. It's pasted on top. Now, hold on a second. I have snap set. There we go. Okay, so we just made a copy of the triangles, and I want to see if we got the shading right. Now, clockwise does light, or there's a. If you go clockwise or counterclockwise, it makes a difference. Anyway, we want the inside. The inside of objects and the outside of objects should be. The inside should be clockwise and the outside counterclockwise, or vice versa. Anyway, I'm going to. I like the. I'm going to reverse the. Damn it! I keep moving the z coordinate. Okay, good enough. I'm going to flip all those triangles. So we go select a rectangle, and then the transforms will work on everything unless you have something selected. This will flip the triangles clockwise, counterclockwise. Anyway, now both sides are dark. Okay, let's unselect all. Okay, so the inside is oh, I got it backward. Oh well, it'll be a gray gun. Okay, finally we put the connect the top triangles. We gotta flip it. Hit F to flip the last one. It only works in the last one if you do it that way. Anyway, let's go the other. Let's go counterclockwise. Okay, so he's got a gun. Let's flip it. It's gonna flip some of the hand. There's no reason not to flip it. Let's flip it. Okay, we go edit. Select rectangle. You only have 8 colors because it uses shading. It uses the other 8 as high intensity colors. Anyway, so you can make your own light source. You can do multiple light sources if you do it yourself. Anyway, now we're gonna transform, flip triangle. Okay, and then unselect all. Okay, now it's a dark kind of gun. In this editor, the light source is where the cursor is. So as you move the cursor around, you get a different light source. Anyway, that's good enough. Now let's exit and now you notice he's got a little gun there. I don't have the patience for graphics cards. But anyway, well, that's what I wanted to show you. Good luck.